guys, the water is moving to a different cup because of the towels. Welcome to Lashin World.
Hello Lashin, what are you doing today?
I saw a very cool science experiment which says I have to do a few things and then the water will move to a different cup.
Here the water comes now.
It is green color.
What is this color, Lashin?
It is red color.
Very good. What is this color?
It is yellow color.
What is this color?
This is purple color.
Very good. Okay, what is this?
This is blue color.
Very good, Lashin. What are these colors, Lashin?
These colors are green for green leaves, yellow for banana, red for cherries, purple for purple flowers, blue for aeroplane. Alright guys, let's put in the towels one by one. Now we are putting the final towel. Guys, so let's watch the water move to the different cup. Look guys, the water is getting sucked up by the towel and getting absorbed into the different cup. Isn't that amazing guys? If you like my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe guys. And also don't forget to share. Bye.